everyone, welcome back to my channel. Hope you all doing great. Today's video I am going to share with you all my living room decor and organization video. This time I am taking a theme color as yellow due to summer season, which represents bright and colorful. Since I took the yellow theme specially for summer bright look and vibrant color which attracts everyone at a glance. Now with the help of a roller, I am removing all the dust as well as any sticky particles. You can get this roller from IKEA or any hypermarket stores like day-to-day stores or greenhouse, or even in a discount center also you can get this kind of roller. Actually, my sofa is very bright in color, so it is very difficult to maintain since my small one, sometimes she drops food or anything, where I had stains in my sofa and carpet as well. Hence, I had to call some professional cleaners to remove those deep stains. I have taken those videos which I will share with you guys shortly in the upcoming vlogs. For removing the deep stains, I have tried DIY cleaner using baking powder, but which didn't really help me to remove those deep stains. That's why we ended up calling professional cleaners. And also I have removed this old carpet which was very dark and not matching with my theme color. So I have put a bright color carpet which is giving mild and bright look. After cleaning this floor and everything, I am going to put that new carpet. After dusting my surface areas, my husband had helped me in vacuuming the floors. And later I have mopped the floors. In the center table, first I tried this vase which was placed before in my dining table. Then later on I decided to place this vase with the previous white one. As I thought this white vase will match the background. And what do you think, guys? Is it okay, or I have to change it again? Should I go for the other one with the white the other vase, or please let me know in the comment section below. For the sake of video decor purpose, I have placed this cute basket with a cushion and a blanket. This is actually not a throw blanket. This is my daughter's blanket. When she was small, she used this one, and for the video purpose only, I'm keeping this blanket here. Later on, I will remove this basket because it will be a big hindrance for my kids. Currently, these two IKEA shelf units was placed on either side of the TV, which was pretty good. And now I wanted to have a change in the look. So I am replacing these shelves with the two beautiful artificial plants. These shelves I am going to place near the dining area, which I will shortly share it with you all in the upcoming videos. Before placing these trees, I am giving a good shower to have a fresh look. Okay guys, with this I wind up this video, otherwise this video will be a very long one. So the dining and entryway decor videos will be sharing with you all in two different segments, which is very attractive and exciting videos. So stay tuned for that. Suppose if you haven't yet subscribed my channel, please go and click the subscribe button below and also press the bell icon. So in future you will get notified, and also please follow me in Instagram as well. Hope you all would have enjoyed this video, and hope you all been motivated and have an idea of decorating your place. I will see you next video. Until then, bye bye, take care.